Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so we're going to be making some chicken Alfredo using a gluten-free pasta, as well as we're going to be making this minimal dairy. So here I have some chicken breast that I had cut up. I seasoned it already. I seasoned this with some salt, with some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend, with some onion powder and some garlic powder. What I would also add to this is I will crush two garlic cloves, and I will also add to this. So this is our chicken for our chicken Alfredo. I'll be using this gluten-free spaghetti pasta. Okay, so now we want to salt our water in order to boil our pasta. Okay guys, so let's cook our chicken completely. I'm gonna add some olive oil, and I'm also gonna add some ghee. So the reason why I'm using ghee and not butter is because I want to make this with minimal dairy. I'm not going to go completely dairy free. I would add some gluten-free seasoned breadcrumbs that has a little bit of Pecorino Romano cheese. And the ghee doesn't have as much milk solids as regular butter. So we just want to leave this chicken to cook completely. Okay guys, so now that our chicken is cooked through, I'm going to add a little red pepper flakes to it. You don't have to, it's optional. If you want to, you can do that. If you don't, well, you can just omit it. Now, what I'm going to do instead of, because I'm putting minimal dairy in this, right straight here in the chicken, I'm going to add coconut milk. Because remember, we're trying to use minimal dairy. We're going to use the coconut milk for the creaminess. Instead of using heavy cream, you're going to be using the coconut milk. Okay. Now to this here, I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. This gives you, it sort of mimics a cheese flavor, gives it a sort of like a nutty flavor. So we're going to add this nutritional yeast to it. And what I'm also going to do, now I'm not completely going dairy free. I am going to add some gluten-free seasoned crumbs, and these crumbs, it has Pecorino Romano cheese in it. So I'm going to be also adding some of this to it. So that's why I said not completely dairy free, but minimal. Okay, so I'm going to add some of these gluten-free seasoned crumbs. Of course, you don't have to do what I'm doing. If you can use dairy, by all means go ahead and use your heavy cream, and then you can add your cheese in your sauce, as the case may be. All right, so now I'm going to be adding in my pasta to this. Let's get the pasta in the sauce so we can get it to coat everything nicely. So there you have it, folks, our chicken Alfredo, gluten-free with minimal dairy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it the thumbs up. Feel free to share with family and friends if you know you have some family that may be gluten-free or who are lactose intolerant and can't take too much dairy. Well, they can go this route, which is a minimal dairy route. So feel free to share it with them. So once again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.